Hey guys, I'm here with my cat Ziggy and my roommate Jacob. I am currently setting up my GoPro Hero 5 session to put into the waterproof housing, and we're gonna try dunking it in a pool today. So hopefully that goes well. I thought it would be cool to stuff my GoPro into the housing and see what we get. Hopefully it doesn't leak. The GoPro is waterproof, so that's a plus, but I'm really hoping that this awesome waterproof housing definitely does not leak, so I could put my SX-70 into it and we can see how that goes. Siggy, what do you think of that? Doesn't look like he cares. Okay, so I am on the GoPro Hero 5 session right now. I am going to put it into the waterproof housing and we'll see if it even works. Sorry for the view. So the camera is in the waterproof housing. Let me see if I could get it. Gonna put the cover on. So I don't know if you guys saw any of that, and the audio was probably super crappy, but one thing to note is the Wi-Fi signal inside this waterproof housing is non-existent, so I got some Fritz, but it does look like the camera's still on and it looks like it's working, so this should be a good indication of how it will be when we dunk it in a pool. And I'm gonna make Jacob go get it from the bottom of the pool. What? Hey guys, I'm back. I'm dry. I grabbed a quick shower to get the chlorine off, and I gotta say, this thing is amazing. I didn't think it was gonna work. I was kind of nervous, but as you can see from the previous clip, it worked out great. I actually put my GoPro on the inside, which it's not in here anymore, but getting that footage was just awesome. So we know it doesn't leak. Next step is to add my SX-70 into it and take some pictures. Now, speaking of my SX-70, it is right here. As you can see, I took the leather off, and I also invested in a frog tongue, so the pictures will develop better once they come out of the ejection port right there. But the camera is, I'd like to say, naked because it doesn't have the leather on it. I'm waiting for replacement leather to come in, and that will be here tomorrow, actually. So next time you see it, it will be a fully refurbished, re-leathered SX-70, and it'll be in its prime. I'm hoping that it will take awesome pictures. I invested in a couple ND filters for 600 film, so I don't have to use SX-70 film for this. They were about $11 or $12, so I'm hoping that they do the trick. I cleaned the rollers of the SX-70. They look pretty decent. With any luck, they will work, and this camera will be a fully functioning SX-70, and I'm excited to get it into the housing to take some pictures. So that will be the next step. For now, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of the housing and my clip, and give me a like and a follow. Thank you so much.